To discuss how they're advancing with Box AI already, let's hear from another Box customer, Matt Schwartz, VP of Strategy at Shelter Insurance. Welcome, Matt. Please introduce yourself and how long you've been a customer with Box.
Hi, glad to be here. Matt Schwartz with Shelter Insurance. Shelter is a property and casualty insurance company based out of Columbia, Missouri. We also have a reinsurance company and a life insurance company. And we started as Box customers about 5-6 years ago in our claims department.
Fantastic. Can you tell us a bit about how you're leveraging Box AI and some of the use cases?
So Box is really pivoted from a claims department specific vendor for Shelter to really an enterprise and strategic vendor as we go through a whole scale transformation of not only our core system, but our business processes. So we selected Box to be the operational content layer underneath our policy, billing, claims, and digital components that run our business. And really, Box AI is, I would call it icing on the cake, because we already were very comfortable with what Box was going to give us from a visibility and access point across our operations. But now looking at how can AI really supercharge some of these use cases is very exciting for us. What we're really excited about with Box is metadata extraction into our core systems. Metadata extraction is a huge piece across our whole unstructured data landscape to where we can consume unstructured data around claims or around underwriting, and then get that into our system of record to then drive more automated processes.
How are you thinking about the business impact that you could have with Box AI?
Some of the most obvious drivers are going to be efficiency, expense reduction, and those are important to us, but really looking at competitive advantage and making sure that we're aligning AI use cases to maintain and at times be able to jump ahead in gaining a competitive advantage. And AI has so many opportunities for us to look at agentic AI workflows, the way that Gen AI can impact the insurance value chain to really move that needle forward. One of the areas that I think is really exciting, more on the underwriting billing side, is we get in our business thousands of checks a month that come in from mortgage companies, but using AI capabilities and Box as a content layer, we see some real opportunities to automate and take some of that low value work and shift our employee base into higher value work, which is really important.
Well, thank you so much for sharing those use cases. It's so wonderful to see not only how you're leveraging Box today, but also the innovation and the thoughtfulness that you're applying to redesigning business processes. It was wonderful to chat, and thank you for the time.
Thank you.